Hi guys, so I finally finished it off, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't really fly very high. Let's see. Yeah, sure, yeah, it doesn't, I don't know what this stupid glitch is though. Like it happens with every single thing I make, or flying machine. So I'm inside of safe zone, and then I go out of safe zone, and then I start going down. Like, what is this? Is this is the land racist or something, or is like the plane racist? I don't know. Like, what the hell? And then no. And then when I do this, well, anyway, when I do this, it goes high. It doesn't make sense. Please fix this. I really don't like it. But anyway, guys, see you guys later and have a good day. And out.